What do you see the future of the city being? Don't know, don't care. Don't know, don't care. Don't know, don't care. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I really don't. And honestly, like, I'm just at a point where I don't care. Like, I posted this in a video that I did a while ago. Let me find it. Let me find the video that I did a while ago on this. Where was it? Stick. I'll read it. Nah, this is like a tsunami. Better Biomed got me a job. He's a good dude. Oh, 1 second. I don't want to fall by. I don't want to fall behind in the tsunami of comments, but I know I'm going to fall by in the tsunami. So we were talking about a guy that Steve stole a stick from. There was a guy that was breaking every car with a stick, and Steve, being the fucking bro that he is, comes along and steals the guy's fucking stick. That's Steve being a bro. He walked up to a criminal and stole his fucking weapon. Anyway, somebody said, Texas is too hot, Miami is too money expensive. Alternative. Get window tints on your car and come to Texas. Get some good tints. I got myself some good tints and they're awesome and now I'm good. And get remote start so you could turn the air conditioner on from far away. Why was this dude doing that? What purpose did breaking random windows serve? I don't understand it, and I find it strange that nobody else seems to be questioning it. My response: why is commercial real estate the size of my store going for $75,000 a month when the city's empty? Why is there a charity homeless shelter started by the governor that the city is paying $3,500 to $4,500 a month for per homeless person with rooms more crowded and less sanitary than a 1940s prison? Why are the roads trash even though city budget is over $80 billion a year? Go over to Better Biomed's channel in Neuropilot and you'll learn more. Why was indoor dining banned, but building a house in the street for people to dine in during COVID okay? Why are there strict regulations around Department of Buildings permits for the most basic of construction, but no permit necessary to build a house on the street out of plywood for use as a temporary restaurant right next to cars? Why is a house in Brooklyn with the ceiling falling into the living room selling for $1.4 million? Why is our education system trash when we spend over $22,000 per year per student? Why are you allowed to advertise a 1,500 square foot space as 3,000 square feet, then claim loss factor when I mention it as a 1,570 square foot in person without being shut down for fraud? Why does the Department of Consumer Affairs not care about such blatant false advertising but turn around and fine me for selling laptops with clean and detailed records, allowing the realtor to get away scot-free as he lies about every space in Manhattan? And why is this practice unique to New York City? Why did somebody start setting fires to every garbage bag on the block a few months ago, including one right in front of my window? And why do I get a random financial audit by the Department of Finance after a year of pointing all this out on YouTube? I don't know! I don't know! And I don't care! I don't give a fuck anymore! I'm done! I have so many questions, and after 33 years, I stopped expecting answers. I say this as a native New Yorker who was born here, built a business from the ground up from scratch here. I just don't care for answers anymore. As I get older, I am no longer interested in finding answers. I am interested in there being less questions, and moving to places where there are less questions. That's your answer. What does the future of the city hold? Who the fuck cares? It's not my problem anymore. I can take somebody else's money to fuck it up from now on.